When it comes to nydiesels.com, we do not play around because when it comes to second-gen diesel trucks, we are the best in the business. We take these trucks completely apart. I mean completely apart. We are just like an assembly line, replacing and putting these trucks together. This right here is a beautiful truck coming up, 24-valve, 5-speed manual transmission, and this truck is everything. Everything. We go through these trucks and we put these trucks together. This is what we do. It's absolutely beautiful. And I am just so excited to tell you everything that we do and how we do it so you can see for yourself. Because when you go out there and you go look at other trucks, you really need to take a look. There's thousands and thousands of little parts and pieces to these trucks and quality. Quality when you walk around the whole entire truck, inside, outside, every little thing. Now, this truck, we got a long way to go on it. It's August 2017. We're working on this truck, and I'm just excited to show you when this truck gets done. When you see the video, how much hard work goes into our trucks. This truck has a brand new custom interior in it. 2014 material. Just absolutely gorgeous. You know, everything that we do is just super high quality. Just absolutely beautiful, stunning. We put new headliners in our trucks, new seats, brand new paint. Right now we're going through all the jams, the hinges, everything. Brand new tires. Yes, they are brand new. We just drove it through the mud, bringing it in. But they just don't get any better than this. This truck is from New Mexico. It's super clean. And I'm just super excited to show you this truck when it's all done. It's getting there. It takes time to do our stuff, but once these things are done, they're just like a new truck. This truck fully gone through the engine, all new seals, rings, everything in the engine, bearings, rebuilt 5-speed manual transmission, new clutch. Please watch all of our videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. All you have to do is go to John the Diesel Man on YouTube and subscribe. Our trucks are just so clean. All of our trucks get new everything on the Highline. You know, all new engine accessories. We go through these things. Wait till you see the final video on this truck. You're going to be blown away. I am so excited to show you this truck. This truck will be, let's call this truck Stormy. Just looks like a Stormy to me, a beautiful truck. And I'm super excited to get it done for you. We don't know when this truck will be done, but as soon as it gets done, look on the website. And if you want to buy this truck, reach out to me. Our trucks and our mission on our Highline trucks is to give you a truck that is like a brand new truck. Basically, if you bought this truck brand new and you want another one like it's 2001 again, you come to us. We can't make them brand new because that's impossible. But there's closest thing you can get. There's nobody that does what we do in the whole entire world. All these other guys out there are trying to copy what we do, but they don't do any of the work, okay? They might shine the tires. They might tell you this, or this. We actually do it. This is what we do. So when you get sick and tired of driving around everywhere, looking for trucks, you'll finally come to nydiesels.com and say, you know what, John, you're right. I should have got one from you because you're the best. This is what we do. I do it for the fans. I do it for my passion. And I do it because I'm the best. nydiesels.com. Keep your turbos spooling. Stay tuned.